In this video, I'll detail how to fix allow microphone access on Instagram. So if you are using Instagram and you're trying to record, you discover that your microphone is not available. You can see no audio available for this story. That shows your mic is not working. Then you need to allow the microphone access on your Instagram. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to allow microphone access on Instagram, on iPhone, on iOS 18 or iOS 17.5, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on Instagram. This is for iOS 17.5 users. You just need to come down here and locate Instagram. If you're using iOS 18, locate apps and click on that, and then scroll down and click on Instagram. Once you click on Instagram, locate microphone under allow Instagram to access and turn on microphone. Then once you turn on microphone and camera, then come back to your Instagram. Click on the plus icon and select your story. Then you'll be able to publish story with mic active on your Instagram account. So that's how you can easily fix allow microphone on Instagram. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.